Hello, America. Hey, today we will be upgrading tail lights, bumper lights, and replacing those with the Oracle Flush Mount Black Series and the LED reverse lights for the rear bumper. So stay tuned and keep watching and watch us what we do through this install.
Right now, Doc is just using a 10mm socket to remove a couple of bolts in the trunk area of the tail light. It's real simple to do. That's why we didn't show you. Just a couple of bolts, and you had your tail light out, no problem. And then the fun starts with it, trying to get it disconnected. Jeep didn't make that part easy. I ain't even gonna hold you, but we get it all. Y'all see. Stay tuned.
Yeah. So, got that flathead? Oh, this one? Yeah, come on, man. That's the lock. That's unlocked.
A few moments later.
Now to get to the blind spot sensor. All right, so we got that. Let me put that right.
Gonna give America a little bit, dog. Get a close up on that bitch. Good God, that Jones sexy, dog.
Yeah. There you go.
You know you're a real Jeep motherfucker when you call the tail light sexy and shit, Joe. You might be about this life a little bit.
1, 2.
All right, so we fast forwarding through these screws removal. You had to take out 9 from the old tail light and 9 from the new tail light. Purpose being is that white piece you see on the table to your right is a sensor. What is blind spot sensor? That's it. So you had to take it out of the old and put it into the new. So it's tedious work, but we got it done. You put it in so to keep the original function of the 4xe Jeep working. That's what we had to do.
This one. Put the sensor in like so. Go ahead. Put this together. Boom. Take that. Like so. Boom. And tighten it back up. Boom.
That was the only problem one, right?
Huh?
That was the one that you had the problem with, right?
Which one?
The one you just tightened back up.
Yeah. I mean, I had a problem with 2 of them.
But that was the one you said you weren't gonna put back.
Yeah, but it never fell out. So.
Hey, I knew you weren't gonna not put it back, bro.
Oh, it was
Yo,
good.
OCD won't let you not be great and shit, though.
You ain't lying, because we would have ran down to the street get a screwdriver set. I was like, yo, we'll be right back. Day 2.
Hey, commercial break, yo. Hey, so you can't stop now, Jack.
Hey, probably gonna be that bumper. That's gonna be a pain. All right, hello America. Hey, welcome back. 20 hours later, Joe. 20 hours later. Hey, got tail lights installed. Got the reverse lights and the rear bumper installed. But if you do get them, make sure that you shave down. If you got a steel bumper, make sure you shave down the inside a little bit and shave down the outside. After we went back and watched a couple of videos, Oracle did not tell you that you will have problems with the driver's side. Passenger side fits fine. The driver's side, everybody seen mine's a little cracked, put a little silicone on it, still good. Hey, but Darth Vader, hey, flush mount, baby. Don't see nobody else in the DMV riding around flush mouth right now. So I'm just gonna put it out there. I'm the first. So until next time, stay cranking.
Oh my God.